Well, I'll be dipped. I finally got something from eBay that's packed like it's shipping around the world. See how they did inside, but whew, so far, this looks freaking awesome. Oh my sweet Lord. I love this man. He even packed the pool noodles, and it's double boxed. It even includes a microphone, which is probably not the original, but you know, hey, sir, you get 5 stars, at least on the packing alone. Man, this guy's awesome. Double boxed pool noodles for the children. Awesome packing. Give this gentleman an award. What do you say?
A big tea.
Give him a big thumbs up. And we have more packing. I'm about to cry. I think I'm gonna cry. They sent it FedEx. They like double, triple boxed. We got pool noodles. I mean, that was worth the investment right there. What do you guys say? I'm getting into this one. We even got another pool noodle chopped in half to protect the controls. Sir, you deserve an award. I finally got into this. This thing's like Christmas, man. This guy did not disappoint. This one still has protective film on it, too. I don't know if this radio works, but I'll tell you what. The packing job was worth the price of admission on this one, I tell you. So, I guess this is a PSA out there for all you eBay sellers. This is how you pack a vintage radio, especially tube-type stuff. This guy would be awesome at packing tube-type stuff. You know what? I'm just going to make a video about this guy's packing. I'll get to this radio when I get to it. I've got to dig up a Sam's manual still, but my God. Sir, you are a gentleman and a scholar. Pool noodles all around. I think I'm going to go grab a bite to eat. You want to say bye? We'll catch you all in the next one.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
Katie, say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Close enough.
Bye.
Adios.
Bye.